In today's manufacturing industry, efficiency, precision, and flexibility are critical to success.
At Juncker Filter, we develop innovative filtration solutions for industries worldwide.
To meet our high standards in production, we rely on cutting-edge technology, like the Mercury Conveyor by SEI Laser.
The Mercury Conveyor has significantly increased our productivity while enhancing both precision and product quality.
Designed for demanding industrial applications, advanced linear motors ensure highest accuracy, laser processing while the table moves, maximizing efficiency. Honeycomb table design for perfect stability. Class 1 laser safety with fresh air management system.
Its flexibility allows us to seamlessly switch between step-by-step and on-the-fly cutting. And the table design is a game changer. We would definitely recommend SEI Laser. They deliver top-tier quality at a competitive price.
Juncker Filter has mastered its production challenges with SEI Laser. Are you ready for the next step?